G'day DIY Pool Legends. Just wanted to give you a bit of a spoiler alert that this isn't the full length version of this particular video. It's just a little bit of an introduction so you can see the type of information that we do provide, but the full length video is just for our customers. Hope you enjoy watching this short little sample. The starting point is, where does it go? Well, you need to have something solid underneath your equipment, whether it's paving slabs or concrete. And in terms of space, what do you need? Generally, if you're setting up with a heat pump, you need 2.7 meters wide by 1 meter deep. Without a heat pump and you're using a sand filter, what you're looking at down the bottom there is called laterals, and that is where the water gets drawn through and then pushed up through that pipe. Now, that pipe you do not want to fill up with sand or glass media, so you'll get one of these little clear caps in the box, put that over the top. So what the installer is doing here is now starting to set up with the salt cell. So what he's holding in his hand is the salt cell. That is what actually produces the chlorine, and it goes after the filter. It's always after the filter. It runs from the chlorinator into the salt cell. Now the salt cell is what actually produces the chlorine that then goes back into your pool, and it is super easy. You just slide that fitting over the thread, use the butterfly nut to finger tight. The two pins go into the opening on the back of the cell. You don't need to be an electrician to do this. You don't need an electrician to do this, and they're pretty much standard. This is an Astral system. They all look the same, give or take. Well, there you have it, just a little sample of the video that we provide. We know from our customers all over the country that these videos make a huge difference to putting the pool in and enjoying the process and getting a fantastic outcome with your DIY pool. The name of the game is you want to absolutely save thousands of dollars on your pool, but when someone comes over and has a look at your pool, they shouldn't be able to tell whether you put the pool in yourself, you used a local installer, or you went to a full service, full price pool builder. And that's what these videos and all of our supporting documentation is all about. If you'd like to learn more, you can get in touch with us through the website and talk to the team. We'd love to hear about your project and how we might be able to help.